Good morning, class. Today we'll try to understand the next concept. After understanding the ATL, BTL and TTL promotion strategies, we will understand about advertising. In today's class, we will see what is advertising. What is advertising? Advertising is nothing but, remember always, it is a paid form of communication. Why this communication is designed? For what you are paying, why you are communicating? In order to persuade the customers to choose the product or service. I am persuading the customers and influencing the customers to purchase the product. Okay, it involves, successful advertising involves making the products or services positively known by that section of the public most likely to purchase them. पहले product अच्छा होना, but enabling, creating awareness should be the priority of advertising. It should be planned, it should be a planned activity, it should be consistent, and it should also enable to keep the name of the business and benefits of the products and services. First thing, the ad should be able to showcase or highlight the benefits of the products or services. That should be the topmost priority of the advertisement. Not only creating awareness but also enhancing the benefits. You have to highlight the benefits of the product or service, right? Now, what could be the objective of advertising? Nothing but, first is making the business and product name familiar to the public. People will not know what kind of business you are doing. You have to create a goodwill and build a favorable image. For creating goodwill and building a favorable image, advertising involves a lot of corporate personalities into its business, so that people generally get attracted to those people. And it should be educative, it should be informative. It also the offer specific products, any kind of offer that is there, that should be elaborately explained by the advertising. It attracts the customers to find out more about your product or service. It should it should generate curiosity in the minds of customers that what's there in the product. Now, there are certain rules and regulations related to advertising, right? First one, what is the aim? Why are you doing that advertising? What is the primary purpose of advertising? Is it to inform? Is it to sell? Is it to produce listings or improve the image of business? Most of the government advertisements that you see, polio drops ka ye day hai, January 30, that's also advertising only, na? That the intention is information. Selling is pushing the sales. That kind of advertisements are commercials that you see in the televisions. Produce listings or improve the image, that is publicity, brand image. There are certain, जब मैगी का बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हुआ था, when people said that Maggi is not good for health, later on there were ads that not the intent, there were ads that came up and told that nothing will happen if you consume Maggi. But then you have to understand one thing, those advertisements did not have an aim to push the sales but to rebuild the brand image of Maggi. Right? Who is the target? That is more important. Which sector of public are you trying to achieve the response? For example, whether it is male, female, teenager, child, mother, mother's Horlicks, your shaving creams and all, based on which sector of the population you are targeting. Right? Then what kind of media are you using? Are you using television, radio, press or internet? Based on that, you should design your advertising. Competitors, what are the competitors doing? What kind of media are they using and what kind of media are you using? Compare. Can you improve on the approach and beat them in their competition? That is more important. Right? Look at the example. I till date I haven't understood greatly about if you drink thumbs up you become Tufani. And Salman Khan and Ranveer Singh, both of them are endorsing in the same media, that is television. Both of them are endorsing it in television media as well as in social media. You will be able to find such ads in YouTube as well. Right? So with this, your basics of advertising comes to an end. Tomorrow I will be teaching you the AIDA formula. What did we learn in advertising? Quick recap. It's a paid form of communication. Why are you doing it? To persuade the people, that is the potential customers. Right? Then we saw the objective. What are all the objectives? To create the goodwill, to build a favorable image, to educate the public, to inform about the products and services, etc., etc. Then we saw the 4 rules of advertising: aim, target, media, see. This is called as ATMC. This is popularly called as ATMC. What is the aim of your advertisement? Who is the target? What media are you going to use? Whether newspaper, whether radio, whether television, and what the competitors are doing, who are doing similar business. Right? And then we saw one example. Yeah? Thank you and have a nice day.